Alright, this is a video of how to disassemble a AR15. First thing you want to do is make sure the white button is clear. Alright, and then you want to go into your disassembly, which we're going to do right now. You want to pop your two takedown pins, flip them over, and then pull out your rib first, pull out your front. Yep, and separate the two. Get your lower receiver over there, and your upper receiver. Alright, you just want to hold it in your hand upside down. You just want to pull out your charging handle and your bolt assembly. Alright. And then with your bolt, you just want to use your little tool or punch or whatever, and you want to take out the cotter pin. And you want to pop out your firing pin. And then you want to turn your cam just a little bit, just to pull it out. And then pull your bolt right out of your carrier. Okay? And that's everything right there. And then you want to just get your bolt carrier. Put a little bit of pressure and get it back in. Alright? And you want to make sure the hole is lined up. Can back in. Alright, it's just going to fall back in, and once you get it in, you want to give it a twist and pull it on your bolt, and you want to get your firing pin, slide it back in, then of course the cotter pin. Alright, you're going to pull out on your bolt, make sure your bolt is all the way out. Yep, and you want to get your charging handle back in into your upper receiver. Alright, the bolt should just slide right back in. Yep, and make sure everything locks in. Yep, from there, just get your low receiver and your upper receiver, make sure they're all seated together, starting with your front. Alright, get everything seated together, and you're just going to wiggle it together.